Ever wondered why your Power BI report feels slower than your internet during a rainy day? The secret might not be your data, it's the mode you choose. Hello, friends. Welcome to Data Academy. This is your go to channel for Power BI interview preparation, real tax solutions, and data analytic career guidance. Today, we are solving one of the most confusing topics for Power BI beginners, the three different connectivity modes, which are import mode, direct query mode, and streaming. Watch this video till the end because if you miss even one part, you won't fully understand how these modes actually work. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one to use, when, and why. Think of these three modes like three different vehicles. Import is like owning a personal car, fast but needs regular fuel. Direct query is like calling an Ola or Uber. You don't own it, but you are dependent on the driver. And streaming is like watching a live cricket match on Hotstar. It's a real time, but with certain limitations. Now let us jump with the first mode, which is nothing but the import mode. This is the default and most commonly used mode in the Power BI. Data is copied and stored inside Power BI's memory engine. That means reports are lightning fast, but you need scheduled refreshes to keep it updated. Perfect for small to medium datasets, dashboards, and 95% of projects you will work on. Next is direct query mode. Here, the Power BI does not store the data. Every time you click a filter or slicer, it sends a query back to the source database. This means the data is always live, but performance depends on the database speed. It's great when your data is too big to import or when you need the most recent data without refreshing schedules. Then the third one is streaming datasets. This is used when you want real-time dashboards. Think of IoT sensors, stock prices, or live sales data. Data is pushed into Power BI in real time and visuals update instantly. The limitation in this is that you can't use all the visuals or heavy transformations here. It's only for lightweight or live monitoring use cases. Now let's see a comparison between all these three modes. A quick review on this: import is faster but not live. Direct query is live but slower. Streaming is real time but limited. So the trick is choose the mode based on your use case, performance, data size, and the business needs. So here is the takeaway. Don't get stuck on one mode. Import for everyday analysis, direct query for big and live systems, and streaming for real time needs. Use the right mode and your dashboard will not just look good, they will perform like a pro. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and share it with your analytic friends. And let me know in the comments which mode do you use most often in your projects. Until next time, keep learning, keep analyzing. Thank you.